Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. Before I begin, I'm really sorry. I was unwell the last week and so a couple of these monthly readings got a little delayed. I'm again sorry and I hope you understand the situation. Now how we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, Virgo, please note the tarot should always be used as a guide. So only take what resonates, leave the rest. Now let's quickly begin. What I see for you here is you have the 9 of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the 2 of Pentacles and the Sun card. Your person has the 4 of Pentacles, the 4 of Swords, the Justice card and the 4 of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, the blockage in the relationship and the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck I have the 7 of Swords. So either you or your person could have done something deceptive and that's causing a lot of stress in this relationship. Now let's see what we have here for you. You have the 9 of Cups. So yes, you have a lot of love for the other person, but currently you are in a very lazy energy. You just want to sit there and you don't want to move. You don't want to take any effort. Yes, at one point in time you will realize you want to build a very stable relationship with this person and you want to offer this Ace of Pentacles to them. But before you do that, if currently you are involved in a situation where you're dealing with two people or two situations, you will delay that. Okay, you will first take care of this and only once you are done sorting this, you will go ahead and offer this new cup of love to your person. Okay, now while you go ahead and do this, I also see you have the Sun card. So yes, you want to go ahead and do things which are correct. Okay, so like I said, if you are involved in something, you want to take care of that first and only then you want to offer this stable relationship to your person. Your other person has the 4 of Pentacles. With the 4 of Pentacles, they are in the miser energy. They don't want to share, be it their love, their finances, anything, okay? Even their time, they just don't want to share it. Currently, they are in this 4 of Swords energy where they have taken a step back. They are currently relaxing. They don't want to deal with you or anybody for that matter. They just want to relax. They also seem to be a little bored of this entire situation with the 4 of Cups. So I have all the 3 4s here. Okay, I have the 4 of Pentacles, the 4 of Swords, the 4 of Cups. Only one which is left. Okay, the only one which is the 4 of Wands is what is left in this particular spread right now. Now I also see this person wants justice in this situation. So yes, they are not doing anything right now because they are bored and they feel that it's time to take some break. Let's see what's the mutual feeling both of you have. With the 8 of Wands, yes, there's a lot of communication that is required, not just from your end but from the other person's end as well. What is the blockage in the relationship is the 8 of Cups. With the 8 of Cups, once the communication happens, the fear that either you or your person has is that one of you will walk away, and that's what is the blockage. The outcome is very positive with the King of Cups. Both of you have a lot of love, okay, but the problem with the King of Cups is they don't go ahead and share their emotions very easily. Now let's take one card, which is the intention of the person. That's the 8 of Pentacles. With the 8 of Pentacles, a lot of work is required to go ahead and build this relationship. Yes, there will be a tower moment where anything which is built on faulty grounds will come crumbling down. And yes, this person will fight for this particular relationship even when others will walk away. Now let's also quickly see what is the message from Archangels for you. What is the crystal message? That's the Solstice. The crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take your time to sort out what's happening. Write out a journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness and spiritual growth. Now the message from Archangel Gabriel, I'll put in the description box. You can read from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.